Hi everyone, I'm Kate. Welcome back. Today we're going to start the second painting of the spring series, the second color of a plum. Let's get started. I'm going to start with the core color of this painting, the yellow color. It is not just the yellow, although you can just use yellow, but I've added some orange color to create the shades I like. These yellow flowers are called Wintersweet. It is a type of ornamental winter flowers that blossoms around this time of the year, and of January to February. And also it smells and looks similar to plums. The Wintersweet's blooms are waxy golden yellow color and highly fragrant. It is called waxy plums in Chinese, even though it is not a type of plums. Wintersweet's blooms on bare branches, so it is just like the plums. When it blossoms, you don't need to paint any leaves. Now I'm painting a couple of birds perching on the tree branch. The chest is a mix of yellowed, orange, and a bit of red. And the wings, tails, and the head are in black ink. Chinese watercolor is very different because of the combination of the color and the rice paper that you cannot cover the first layer with another color, even though it may be just black ink. I mean, the first layer will still be shown after it is dried. So I'm very careful when I'm adding more elements. Now I'm painting the eyes. The timing of painting the eyes really depends on the type of birds that I'm painting, and also the dryness of the first layer, which is the head, because it's been really humid, and that's why I wanted to wait till the ink is almost dry before I added on it. Otherwise the eyes may merge with the head and becomes very blurry. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already and turn on the notification button. I'll see you in my next video.